twine everywhere, little bits of hay everywhere. We're going to try starting up the quad today.
Oh, I don't think she's going to go. She hasn't ran since November. It's January. And it had problems starting during hunting season. Yes, I'm using my spare key because I don't even know where my normal one went. Okay. It does turn over. Do you want to hold my camera too?
Sure.
I'm going to have to give it choke, so... I mean throttle at the same time. Nah, she's turning way too slow. Oh, it did fire a little bit.
Oh. Come on, baby. You can do it.
Oh. You start. Oh, backfired.
If you don't start, we're going to buy Honda. Ah, success.
Man, this thing hasn't ran since the day I pulled the deer out of the bush, and I actually pushed it off the trailer when I got here. I'm gonna have to shut off the choke right away. I gotta adjust that choke, but I'm just gonna hold my finger on the throttle for a while. I don't even know how much fuel's left, but it has to run anyway. No smoke or anything. Yeah, that's just steam. Blow over. I smell the fuel now. Might have flooded her a bit, but it was turning over so friggin' slow. That tarp was meant to cover it, some of the tarps here, but that's another thing I'm doing. It is actually meant to go in there, but someone had to go get their hay. You want to grab this again?
Of course. What would the goat babies eat? Ooh, Inception.
Oh, so much snow.
Ha ha.
Oh man, it's frozen to the ground. What gear am I in? I have no clue. Oh, it's slippery.
Don't worry, I'll warm them up for you later.
I'll find a sweet spot where the choke legs sit now.
There you go.
Stay running. Okay. Woo, my balls are wet from that. Hey, the tires are full. Yeah, I can't believe she actually started up with that low of a battery. Snow's not that deep in the yard, at least. She's a steamy one. I got 1 minute left on this 4K 60 video. 4K at 60 frames per second. Oh, it's actually kind of nice in here. It's some natural light happening on the old tarp. Ow, my butt! That hay bale looks funny. It's sunk right in.
That bottom one is straw.
Oh, straw bale, okay. Hay straw. If it comes in a bale, it's a hay bale. Maybe we'll hook up the sleds and drag the kids around, make a trail around the property.
That'd be fun. Yeah, we got a brand new deer sled yesterday.
Yeah. Try a sled.
We should grab it.
I want to try to quad around here first to make sure it's going to be good.
I'm gonna grab my snow brush out of the car.
Okay. I got to get a thumbnail before this video ends because I don't